Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award winning Screed. I'm here to talk about price, the price of underfloor heating. You may search the internet trying to find out what is it going to cost to lay such a system. This is just a short video just to run through, give you a basic idea of what the costs are likely to be. Of course, the price will depend on a number of factors. So it'll depend on how much of the system we can lay per day. So if we're utilised fully on the day, the cost is lower. If we're only kind of working half the day, then the price may be a little bit higher per square metre. It's more cost effective. Obviously, the larger the system, then becomes cost effective. What I would say, the price is going to be between sort of £20 and £40 per square metre. So that gives you a ballpark figure to work with, something that you may be budgeting with. We would be very happy to provide you with a quotation so you can be a little more accurate and take into account the factors that I've mentioned, and we can take into account the factors within your property. Other things that may change the price is going to be whether it's the source of the heat. So if it's a ground or air source heat pump, it'll mean that there's going to be more pipe there because the supply temperatures are going to be lower. So that's something that we would factor into the quotation. So there's a number of things that might change it. So we'd be delighted to provide you with a quotation. Please contact us and let us give you a price. Thank you.